Hi guys, and welcome back to the Rusty Blades YouTube barber channel. Today we're going to be talking mobile barbers, and we're going to be having a look at a new bag that I've just recently received from G&B Pro, and it's actually the clutch bag. So we're going to have a look inside it, we're going to have a look, I'll measure it, we'll see how many compartments there is and all the good stuff that comes along with it. I will be using it for a haircut as well. So let's stop messing about and let's get in and have a look. Right guys, we're going to have a look at the G&B Pro Clutch Bag today. We're just going to clip the lid up, so we've got two little clips at either side. We're just going to clip those in. That just secures the lid so it stops it from falling backwards. The good thing about this bag is that it's got plenty of storage. So you've got a little pouch at the front with the G&B Pro logo on there. Underneath that, if you lift that up, you've got a pouch at the back. You can fit some disposable gowns or gloves in there, and you've got your 6 pouches there, which I actually put my combs in there. So I've got a styling comb, I've got my clipper comb, my normal cutting comb, taper comb, and a fade comb. If we just flip this back over, this is where I keep the clips. And then we've got 3 little sections here, perfect for putting your shears in. So that's underneath the lid of the bag on the inside. So we're just going to unclip the straps now that keep the lid up. And we're just going to let that lay flat. So now you can see the trays. So we're going to open the trays and we're going to fill the bottom of the bag. We're going to put the Gamma Boosted in there, a military comb, some Dapper Dan salt spray, a net duster brush, a fade brush, some wax, and we're going to put our Stylecraft Uno as well in the bottom of there. So we're going to close this up once we've put this neck strip in, and that fits quite nice. So now we've got the Gamma Dubs, and we've sectioned it out already, and they're just going to fit nicely into the top of the trays. A little bottle of oil, because you don't want to be carrying a big massive bottle. This is our Braun Series 7, and that fits in there even in the case. The Stylecraft Rebel, and it even fits in the Andy Supra ZR2 detachable clipper. So that's everything in the bag. So we're just going to open it up now and you can actually see what's in there. So this bag actually retails in at $59, but with the shipping on there as well, you're looking at about $110, $120. But I did do a video on a budget mobile backpack, which was actually a camera bag. So I'll leave a card in the top corner so you can go check that out as well. Right guys, the G&B Pro Clutch Bag, is it any good? My verdict is yeah. I think it's a brilliant bag / mobile workstation with plenty of storage. I love the trays inside that open up so you can have your clippers, guards and anything else easy to hand. If I was to rate it, I would probably rate it 7 out of 10. And the only reason I wouldn't give it higher is that it could do with a better pocket to put your cape in, and some more spacers for the trays on the top. But as a whole, I think it's a brilliant product from G&B Pro, and I think they've done a great job in making a well-built portable station that's perfect for any house call, and it gives a very professional look to any barber. So if you've liked this video, remember to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell and all the good stuff so you never miss out, and leave any comments down below. I'll catch you in the next one.